So you have an iPhone 11, 11 Pro, or 11 Pro Max. I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset where basically you erase everything out of your phone and it will be as if like you bought the phone brand new and took it out of the box, okay? Now we're not going to be using no software, no downloads, no iTunes. We're going to do everything directly from the phone right here, okay? Very, very easy to do, but don't forget, you're going to be losing everything from this phone. So if there's anything important on here that you want to save, like your photos and videos, then you can go ahead and transfer that to your computer, or you can always transfer all your data to iTunes or your cloud if you have one, okay? Anyways, first thing is tap on settings here. Settings, we want to go ahead and scroll down. We want to tap on general. Tap on general. Now scroll all the way down to the very bottom, or second to the bottom. It says reset right here. Tap on reset. Now it says up here, second to the top, it says erase all content and settings. Tap on that. Now go ahead and enter your password to your phone. All right, now you get a message down here. It says this will delete all media and data and reset all settings. Perfect. I'm going to click on erase now. So this is perfect if you just want a clean slate or you're looking to sell your iPhone as well. Okay, now I get another message here. It says, are you sure you want to continue? All media, data, and settings will be erased. This cannot be undone. I'm going to go ahead and proceed. I'm going to click on erase iPhone. Now take note, if you guys signed into your Apple ID onto this iPhone, it's going to ask you for your Apple ID password to proceed because it needs that password, because once that you enter that password, then it's going to go ahead and erase that Apple ID from the phone and everything. This way it'll be a clean slate and you can sell it to somebody or whatever. Okay, anyways, now we're getting it booted up again. Now we're getting another progress bar right here inside the Apple logo here. This usually takes about 5 minutes. So let this keep running. Let me put it on pause for now. All right, Apple logo just went away. Looks like it's about to boot up again. There's the Apple logo again. And let's see here. We might get another progress bar here. Okay, so yeah, progress bar popped up. Now it's doing the same thing over again. I'll put it back on pause. All right, progress bar just went away. Now we just have the Apple logo here. And now, guys, we are back in business. As if we just bought the phone brand new and took it out of the box, okay? Anyways, there you go. This phone is ready to sell as is, or you can have a new clean slate. Good luck.